Today's video, we're gonna learn how to solve the volume and the surface area of a sphere. So first of all, what is a sphere? So a sphere is a round solid figure or its surface with every point on its surface equidistant from its center. So a sphere is like an imperfect circle. So here's an example. This red line represents the radius of a sphere. So we need that to solve the volume and the surface area. Let's have an example. Let's say we have a sphere with a radius of 5 centimeters. The formula to solve its volume is V is equal to 4/3 times pi r cubed. So to solve it, let's substitute the r. So V is equal to 4/3 pi times the radius, which is 5 centimeters cube. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is equal to 523.6 centimeters cube. Let's now find the surface area of a sphere. The formula for the surface area is SA is equal to 4 pi r squared. Again, let's substitute the r. SA is equal to 4 pi times 5 squared, which is the radius. So therefore, the surface area of a sphere is 314.16 centimeters squared. Let's try another example. Let's say we have a sphere with a diameter of 12 inches. Find the volume and the surface area. To find for its volume, we need first to find the radius of the sphere, which is represented by this line, this red line. And we know that the radius is always half the diameter. So radius is equal to d over 2. So let's substitute d. R is equal to 12 over 2. Therefore, the radius of the sphere is 6 inches. Since we know the radius, we can now solve the volume and the surface area of the sphere. So the formula for the volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So let's substitute the r. V is equal to 4/3 pi times 6 cubed. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is equal to 904.78 inches cubed, or cubic inches. Now, let us solve for the surface area of the sphere. So SA is equal to 4 pi times r squared. Let's substitute the radius. SA is equal to 4 pi times 6 squared. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is equal to 452.39 inches squared. And that's today's video is all about.